Hey guys, I'm just shooting a quick video back here at the hide today. I had some storms and stuff roll through and just kind of checking and assessing some of the damage. Got quite a few limbs down and actually ended up blowing, topping over a tree back here on the right side of the range. Pretty good sized tree too. It uprooted it, completely blew it over into one of the other ones. So that's definitely a shame. Definitely a shame. That was a good sized little maple tree that it took off. I guess the ground just too darn soft. The wind just pushed it over, but like I said, there's a lot of limbs and stuff down. I was actually at work when all this happened and come back home and decided to take some inventory of what happened back here, but definitely going to be some work with the chainsaw this year. That right there's another small tree. That one's just completely broken in half, and then this one here, it's just completely toppled over. I mean, then going down the back side of the part of the running gun course down through here, there's some more limbs and looks like all kinds of stuff knocked over, and leaves and twigs and everything else. But yeah, there's another good size branch over there knocked down also. Kind of interested to see what it looks like towards the back part of the range back here, if any of the other big trees were affected, which so far it doesn't look too bad. Damage is pretty minimal, so nothing the old chainsaw can't take care of. But I sure do hate to see the big old growth trees knocked over. Just takes a long time to get those grown. Just hate to see that. See what and just some more limbs and stuff down here as well. Don't look like anything too major. It's gonna walk to the 275 backstop and see if any of the trees back there got blown down. But I don't see any major damage, so definitely have to be thankful for the small things. I tell you guys, in any of you all that have your own range or your own property, it's a never-ending battle keeping things cleaned up. I tell you, it takes forever to get things cleaned up for a shoot or anything else. Mowing is never-ending. Limbs are never-ending. It just seems like it keeps going and going and going. But overall, I think we got out pretty lucky. Don't look like really anything got destroyed other than that one maple tree, which with high winds is like we had, you're bound to lose a couple, if not, more. So definitely got to be thankful. No more than what we had fall anyway. So yeah, no trees or nothing down here, it don't look like. And the creek is definitely up, that is for sure. Yeah, I'd say the creek is probably, it's up a good 7-8 feet right now after about 20 minutes of rain. Oh, more sticks falling. Another small branch here, but yeah, it's rushing pretty good. Check over here, a little campsite I made. Nothing's really damaged over here either, so yeah, all in all, not too bad. Like I said, as you guys know, whenever you're dealing with property, man, it's a never-ending battle as far as getting things and keeping things cleaned up. So this definitely adds to the list, the to-do list. It never ends, I tell you. But just wanted to give you guys an update. I was kind of shocked at seeing that tree, so I was like, oh man, I got to video that. But thanks for watching, fellas. It's always a pleasure bringing you guys along. So as always, shoot straight. Later.